You've been left behind for so long if you don't know about Web3 as a content creator, as a YouTuber, as a blogger, as a writer on this online space. In this particular video, I'm going to simply open your eye to one of the top trending platforms right now for content creators, for writers, for bloggers. And if this is your first time hearing about Web3, that means you don't know what Web3 is all about, okay? So I'm going to simply break it down in a simple layman understanding, alright? So Web3 is the next generation of the internet, okay? So apart from this internet right now, which you're watching this video from, there's another internet, okay, which is called Web3, and it is built on a decentralized technologies like blockchain, where users have greater control and ownership over their data, their content, rather than relying on large centralized corporation. All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you top 7 Web3 platforms for content creators, for bloggers, for YouTubers, where you can actually create your content, get monetized, and also get traffic. So if this is what you like, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and let's get into the video right away. So the number 7 on this list is DSCVR. It's just like your social media platform, but it is not actually your normal social media platform. This is a Web3 social media platform where you can actually create your content, where you can actually monetize your content. So these platforms right here are easy to join. It is free, allows you to create your content on this very platform and also sell it out as a non-fungible token, all right, which is NFT and all of that. Okay, so for you to get started, you can simply go ahead and click on the sign up button, register your account, and get started with this very platform. Okay, as you can show right here, these are other people right here that are already on the platform. There are a lot of people already on this platform, and this one right here has over 229k followers and all of that. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and click and follow them, and they also can actually follow you as well. All right, so as I list out these 7 websites, I'm going to simply show you other ways you can actually monetize them on your own blog. So I'm also going to simply show you how you can actually get traffic from here to your own blog. All right, so you need to do simply watch this video down to the very end. So the second one on the list, we have the Minds.com. all right, this one right here is also a Web3 social media platform for people that want high privacy and also a stronger data protection. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and come over to this very platform and you sign up on your account and start publishing your content on this very platform, and you can also monetize your content if your content get more visibility. And for you to get started, you can simply go ahead and download the application, or you sign up on this very platform by clicking on this join button. Once you click on that, you have to simply add your password right here. You add your username, your password, then click on the login, or you sign up. Okay, so if you don't have an account, go ahead and click on the join now button to register your account, and you can simply chat with people, and also you can simply go ahead and monetize it as well. Okay, so the number 5 Web3 platforms where you can actually go ahead and monetize your content is Paragraph.com. right, all right, so this is Paragraph.com where you can actually go ahead and create your content, your video content, your article content. You can also publish your content right here on this very platform from your blog website, from your Facebook. You also monetize and all of that. Okay, you can show what they wrote here. You can simply reach more readers and also own your audience and your writing. Okay, and the best thing about this platform right here is that you are not restricted, your contents are protected. And for you to get started on this very platform, you just need to click on this get started button, start writing button, and you have to simply sign up with your Twitter account, your GitHub, your Farcaster, and lot more. All right, then you explore this platform the more and also understand their terms and conditions and all of that. Okay, and the number 4 Web3 platform for bloggers, content writers, content creators is Publish OX. Okay, so most of you knows about this very one right here. This one right here is one of the best I like so much. This particular one right here also allows publishers and also readers to also monetize their time and readings. Okay, so you just have to make sure you have your own blog website. Like you see right here, I have my own blog website. I can decide to start sharing my content on this very platform just to also get monetized as well. Okay, sign up on this very platform. Once you sign up, you can start sharing your content, sharing value on this very platform. You don't just copy other people's content, you write your own original content and you pick your own niche from this very section right here. When you pick your niche, you start sharing your value on this very platform, and also when it is time for you to monetize, you can simply go ahead and monetize your content. Okay, so that's the number 4 on this very list. So number 3 Web3 platform for bloggers and content writers is Steemit.com. all right, so this is also a social media platform where you can actually publish your own content to also get monetized. Okay, so this particular one right here works differently. Okay, so other ones I've already shown you, you can simply publish your content, get visibility to it, and also monetize. Okay, but this one right here requires you to get votings for your content before you can actually monetize that content. Okay, so if your content is valuable, definitely people are going to simply vote for you, right? And when you're on this platform, you can simply go ahead and sign up your account, click on the sign up button, then create your account for free without paying a dime, right? So you just have to put in your username right here, you put in your email address, then you click on the continue button, and once your account is approved and accepted, then you're good to start creating your content on the Web3 platform. Okay, that's the number 2 on this very list. Okay, so the number 1, which is one of the best I like so much, it is Hive.blog. All right, so this is basically for bloggers on the Web3 platform. Okay, so if you have a blog already, this is going to simply work for you. A standard blog website, you can actually go ahead and get monetized on this video platform when you install this type of plugins, which I'm going to simply show you on your blog website. Okay, so if you go over to your blog website, just go over to your blog website, search for Web3 on your blog website. Okay, so these are the Web3 plugins right here you can actually install on your blog website. Okay, so if you want to get monetized on this platform, okay, you can simply install Web3 platform payments for your WooCommerce, where you can gain support from readers and all of that. Okay, you can actually go ahead and lock your content for paid membership on this same website with your plugin right here. Okay, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and publish your content. Okay, so remember, before even locking your content, you must have been delivering cool value, all right, before locking your content, your premium content. Okay, this is one of the best platforms I like so much, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and pick any trending community of your choice, or you can simply sign up right here and create your own community, then monetize. Another bonus site that you can actually use for your Web3 content creation is this particular one right here, which is Scent.co. all right, so this is Scent.co. It's also a Web3 platform where you can actually publish your content, create your own personal digital collection. All right, so on this video platform, you can simply create your content, you can turn your content to NFTs, you can blog content to NFTs, your social media posts to NFTs, and all of that. Okay, you just have to make sure you click on the sign up button and create your account on this video platform and start monetizing. All right, so you might be asking yourself, how do I actually get traffic with all of this? So this particular platform right here, which I've already shown you, which is this one right here, this one, and many others which I showed you right here in this very video, actually rank on Google. And one of the best way to actually get more traffic to your website is to cross promote. Okay, for instance, if you've already made a post right here on your blog website, if you've already made a post, you can simply share a little snippet of your content. Okay, you can share it as a carousel, you can share it as a snippet, you can also share it as a video, all right, on these platforms which I've already shown you right here. Okay, so they have provisions for you to make post, write content, and publish content. Okay, so once you have those snippets, those articles or videos, you can simply go ahead and share them on these platforms. Okay, the audience on these platforms can actually go ahead and subscribe and start viewing your content. Okay, and also you can also monetize on this same website. Okay, so that's the number 1 way to generate traffic. Another way is to engage in communities. All right, so for instance, like I'll show you right here, each of these platforms, they have their communities right here. So you can see right here, if you click on this, you're going to see more communities. Okay, and you can subscribe to any of these communities depending on your language. You can see right here, these ones right here are Chinese languages, and you don't have to go for any language you don't understand. Okay, except if you're using translator and all of that. Okay, so all these platforms right here, they have their communities, and you can simply go ahead and follow any of the communities right here. And when you engage in those communities, you can share your own ideas. And another way you get traffic to your own blog from this Web3 platform is leveraging their backlinks. Okay, so remember, each content you post on this platform and you are interlinking your main original content from your blog website, you are automatically giving your blog website some juicy backlink. Okay, those backlinks can actually help boost your SEO traffic from Google search engines, so from Bing, from Yandex, and other search engines. Okay, you can use the token staking as a means of getting traffic from Web3 search engine, right? Like the pre-search. Okay, so this pre-search right here is Web3 search engine. Okay, just like you have Google, we have Bing, we also have Web3 search engine. Okay, that's how you can actually get traffic. And for you to monetize your content, I've already showed you that. You can simply go ahead and install your Web3 plugins right here. When you use your Web3 plugins, you can use that to monetize your content. You can use that to accept donation on your website. You can also use that to lock your content and get paid membership. Okay, and also you can do affiliate marketing, where you join affiliate programs for crypto exchange, for wallet, for tools like Binance, Coinbase, and lots more. Okay, then write reviews on your blog website. When you write the reviews on your blog website, you interlink your content right there, and that's also a way to monetize. Okay, so remember, if you're writing content on this video platform and you're publishing your content every time on this platform, so right, companies that are on this website, Web3 companies that are on this website that are looking for content writers, can as well hire you because they are seeing what you are doing. There are a lot of opportunities on Web3. You can utilize these trending platforms right here to get things done for yourself. Okay, so you need to do right now is simply go ahead and get your website fully developed for you. Monetize this website with Astera Monetag, so that if they click on this particular website right here to read the full details, remember you're only publishing snippet right here, then they're reading the main original content right here, because you don't want to have duplicate content on search engine. Okay, from the traffic that are coming from this session to your website, it's also going to simply give you impression to your Astera, to your Monetag, and all of that. Okay, so this is basically how this thing works. So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. If this is your first time hearing about Web3, I want you to let me know on the comment section. See you in the next video.